everyone and welcome back to my channel. I've got another clean with me for you, but this time I'm doing the downstairs of my house instead, which is the kitchen, the living area and the dining area. Right now I'm just putting on a wash. These are the scented bead things I got from Poundland. I mean, they were okay. The scent wasn't as awful as I thought, but I would not rush to go buy them. I have not bought them since, I'll be honest with you. What am I doing? I'm putting stuff in bags. I am putting my recycling into bags. I filmed this ages ago and I've forgotten exactly what I did. But basically I'm just putting everything away, and now what I tend to do is I push everything off of the sides. This might sound really gross, but this is what I do. So I'll push literally everything off and then I'll hoover. Is that weird? But I just feel like that's just easier. I don't know if I'm doing it wrong, but that's just how I do it. So once I've cleared the sides from obviously the crumbs and crap that you get on there, I then get the antibacterial spray and I'll move everything off the sides and then just spray it. And I'll also do the cupboards and stuff because I do a lot of stir fries and it sprays everywhere. It's just disgusting. So while that's doing its thing, I'll then get a antibacterial wipe and then just wipe down all of the other utensils. So this I'm doing the salt and the salt? No, it's the sugar and the coffee and the teapot. And then literally once that's finished soaking in, I will get a minky. I think this is a minky, or it might be the fake ones I got from Primark. Not Primark, Poundland. I don't know, but either way, it's that kind of style of sponge and I'm wiping down the sides. Some Dettol spray. Honestly, this is my favourite thing. I have no idea why. Just to put down over the oven, doing the glass with that, and also I do this on the fridge. Oh, if you're thinking of getting a black fridge, don't do it, mate. Just don't, because I thought, oh, it looks really snazzy. No, fingerprints galore, constantly. One hand, bam, and that's all you can see. It's so noticeable. Honestly, wouldn't recommend. Okay, so now I'm gonna try sort out my sinks. So I've been using the bicarbonate of soda. Am I pronouncing that right? And then mixing it with the vinegar, letting that fizz, and then washing it down with hot water. If anyone's got any recommendations for sinks, can you let me know? Because this is what I'm using. But if there's anything other, any products that are better, do let me know because I need them. just putting some hot water into the basin, and then I'm putting all the cloths that I used into that, and then I'm using the Fabulosa. Is that how you pronounce it? It sounds like something out of Harry Potter, I'll be honest with you. Into that for the disinfectant. That's the mango punch one. Smells so good. And I use it also with the mop. Oh, it's so good. And also it helps like bring the scent all into the house. It's, again, I repeat, it's so good. Onto the living room now, and as you can see, we did not tidy up our KFC from the night before. What do you get from KFC? I get a boneless banquet. Anyone else? I don't like bones in my chicken. Just thought I'd state that. I don't like bones in chicken, but I can have wings. Is that weird? I don't know. So literally I'm just clearing the space and moving everything that doesn't belong in this room into, like, you know, like the doorway or like the stairs. Does anyone else do that? I don't know. What am I doing? Oh, I know what I'm doing. I am moving all the cushions off of the sofa so I can hoover the crumbs. But it gets so wedged in there, like that little gap, I can't really get in there with my hoover. Does anyone else have any like recommendations of a good like technique to get all of that bit out? Because it really bothers me and I can't do it. Okay, now I'm about to use the Dr. Beckman carpet stain thing. Do not, I repeat, do not use this if you have a sofa like mine, because I had watermarks and I couldn't get rid of them for ages and it just kept getting worse and worse. So do not do it if you have a sofa like mine. I have used it before and it works brilliantly, but honestly, it's so annoying and I regret doing it. I was just trying to clean like stains off the sofa. Why? Look, no, it's bringing back bad memories. Onto the final room, which is the dining room now, and majority of this stuff was just stuff that I needed to put into the basement. It was like, as you can see, there's like garden stuff that needed to be put downstairs. There's like loads of bags and boxes that my parents had brought round because I still haven't fully moved out of my old bedroom. There is still a lot of stuff in there. I'm just a hoarder.
Take some time, but I'll be alright. I'm moving on. I know times are tough, but I've had enough. I'm moving on. I'm moving on.
Okay, so now I'm just moving like all of Sam's like gaming stupid stuff out of the way to clean the table. I have no idea what this is. It's like, it says it's specifically for wood, but it was left over from the previous tenants because that was actually the previous tenants. Oh, table! God, I felt like that was a tongue twister. So I don't know if it's any good. I just use it because I don't like waste, so I'm just using it up. Any recommendations for like wood tables? Let me know. And that is pretty much the end of the video. If you have any cleaning tips Or if I'm doing anything like severely wrong, could you please let me know? Because I have no idea really what I'm doing. I'm kind of just winging it as I go along, because I've never had to do this before. Like, I've never had to properly clean in my life. So I'm a little learning butterfly, so be kind and put comments down below on some great tips that you have. And if you haven't already, please subscribe. And if you like videos like this, let me know by giving it a like. And I shall see you next time. Bye!